Alright, I just got this new bank and I wanted to try it out. I've never installed like a bank or anything on Omnisphere, but I saw a video of this one and the sounds in it just like sounded incredible. So I thought it would be pretty fun to get. I mean, I knew we were going to cook up some good stuff with this, but this is so effortless. I'm just going to try not to overthink it, maybe just add some things to it. We'll just keep running with it and see what happens. Another really cool thing that I like to do with these style banks, or depending on type of VST you're using, you just duplicate the MIDI and just drag it in, just essentially just generating ideas without even like changing the MIDI. There's a lot of ARPs in here, so it's not always just going to play these notes in this order. It's going to like switch them around for us or have like some predetermined rhythm that it's already got. It's a fun way to come up with quick ideas. And then I'm just gonna duplicate this again because the ARP randomly generates the notes. It obviously uses the notes like within these chords, but it randomly generates what octave they're gonna be in. So we're gonna try and generate a better first half. Perfect. You kidding me, bro? 2 videos in a row. Alright, let's hope that when I open this, it's gonna like rebuild the session. I really hope so, but from past experiences, I think with Omnisphere, it doesn't really like keep your presets. At least we had frozen audio, I forgot about that. So we kinda have to do a little bit of work, but not too much. I'm gonna fix those synths in a minute, but I wanna keep working on the drums. Oh yeah, White Armor definitely uses this. that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Hope you got something out of it. If you want to copy this project file, go and check out my Patreon. Helps out the channel greatly. Maybe you could fund me getting a haircut or something. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to sub to the channel if you're not already subbed, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have a good day.